Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, what happens if you don't appear in court for a civil case? The simple answer is, you almost always lose. Ignoring a court date is one of the biggest mistakes you can make in a legal dispute, and it has serious, long-lasting consequences. Let's break down what happens, depending on whether you're the one being sued or the one doing the suing. First, let's say you're the defendant, the person being sued. If you fail to show up for your court date, the judge will most likely enter something called a default judgment against you. This means the case is over and you've lost, by default. The judge will assume that everything the plaintiff said in their complaint is true because you weren't there to tell your side of the story. The court will then award the plaintiff what they were asking for, whether it's a specific amount of money or another legal remedy. This judgment isn't just a suggestion, it's a legally enforceable order. The plaintiff can then use that judgment to collect from you in several powerful ways. They can get a court order for wage garnishment, which forces your employer to take money directly out of your paycheck and send it to them. They could also get a bank levy, allowing them to freeze your bank account and seize the funds to satisfy the debt. In some situations, they can even place a lien on your property, like your house or car, which creates a public record of your debt and can prevent you from selling the property until the judgment is paid. Now, what if you're the plaintiff, the person who filed the lawsuit, and you don't show up? The judge isn't going to just rule in your favor. Instead, the judge will almost certainly dismiss your case for failure to prosecute. If you're lucky, the case might be dismissed without prejudice, which means you can refile it and start the whole process over again, but you've just wasted your time and the court filing fees. If you're unlucky, the judge could dismiss your case with prejudice. This is much worse, as it means you are permanently barred from ever bringing that same legal claim against that defendant again. The case is over for good. So, can you fix it if you miss court? It's very difficult. You would need to file a motion to vacate the default judgment or set aside the dismissal, and you need a legally valid excuse. "I forgot" or "my car broke down" usually won't be enough. A valid reason might be that you were never properly served with the lawsuit papers in the first place, or you had a documented, severe medical emergency that made it impossible to attend. There are also very strict time limits for filing such a motion, so you have to act fast. The key takeaway is that ignoring a court date is never the right move. You are essentially handing a victory to the other side. It is always better to appear in court, even if you think you might lose, because it's your only chance to be heard. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this information was clear and helpful. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more legal explainers.